In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download from Tableau Public. Whether you're new to Tableau or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can save those vital visualizations directly to your computer. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you usually use. In the search bar, type Tableau Public and hit Enter. This will direct you to the Tableau Public website, the platform that hosts a variety of data visualizations created and shared by users from around the globe. Once you're on the Tableau Public homepage, you'll want to navigate to the specific visualization you wish to download. You might already have a particular dashboard in mind, so use the search function on the website to find it. You can also browse through popular visuals or check out recommendations if you're still exploring your options. After you've located your desired visualization, open it up. Here, pay attention to the top right corner of the dashboard view. That's where you'll often find a download button or an icon resembling a downward arrow. This button is your gateway to saving the visualization onto your computer. Click on this download button. Once you've clicked, a drop-down menu should appear. This menu will present you with several options for downloading. The options typically include downloading the entire Tableau workbook, which is handy if you have Tableau Desktop and wish to interact more deeply with the data. You might also see options to download the visualization as an image, choosing formats such as JPEG or PNG. These are perfect for presentations, reports, or just saving a snapshot of the data on your own device. Carefully consider which format you want and select it. For those interested in further data interaction or sharing capabilities, downloading the workbook might be the way to go. However, if you just need a quick image for reference or sharing, the JPEG or PNG format will do the trick. After you've selected your preferred download format, the file should automatically begin downloading. By default, it will save to your computer's Downloads folder, although this might vary depending on your browser settings. Be sure to check your downloads to confirm the file has been saved successfully. And there you have it. You've now downloaded a project from Tableau Public directly to your computer. Remember that these steps can be repeated for any other visualizations you might want in the future. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. If you did, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and happy downloading.